So how did the movie watching go? Did you accomplish it? Or was it too much? Too mentally straining? This time we will do something else. We will leave the house again, which is a long time ago now. Last time you were outside, you sat on a bench in a busy town, or you sat in the forest, listening to the sounds, to the birds. This time I want you to take a walk, preferably in the woods, on a nature trail. Not a challenging one, just a regular, dirt road, if you can. If you're living in a big city and you can't go to the forest, then just take a park. And I just want you to walk for, say, half an hour. Half an hour to an hour. And just be aware of your breath while doing it. So watch life as it unfolds around you, but stay anchored on your breath the entire time. And of course, a million reflex thoughts will appear, and you just let them go. Do not focus on them. Stay here in your own body's movement with the main focus on your breath. And that's it. I suggest taking a few walks, not just one, but do it a couple of times until you feel that, yeah, I'm here. I'm meditating. I can meditate while walking. See you for the next lesson.